Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can solve and fix the keyboard input that is lagging in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 when we are playing games. So for that, let us begin, and we will be going to the troubleshoot settings first. So we can do that by going to the Windows search tab. Here, if we type troubleshoot or trouble, you will see under best match the troubleshoot settings. So once you click on that, you will be able to see this kind of window here. So all you need to do is just to select or click this other troubleshooters option, and then once you do that, you will be able to see keyboard. So please look for keyboard under most frequent section or other section. So if you see keyboard in here, since I am not using a external keyboard, then I won't be able to find that keyboard options in here. So if in your case, if you're using it, just please select your keyboard option and you will see this run window. So if you go with the right hand side, you will see a run button. So please click on run, and it will start diagnosing the problem, and it will also start the troubleshooting process. Okay, so once you're done with the troubleshooting process, close this window, make a quick restart, and then see if the keyboard input lag problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will go to our device manager. So here in the Windows icon, please make a right click. You will see this device manager option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see this window coming up. Here, all we need to do is just to look for the keyboards option. So we have here keyboards. You will need to click this arrow before it, and then you will see the standard PS over 2 or standard PS/2 keyboard. So this is my main keyboard driver. All I need to do is just to update it. So if you also have your keyboard there in your device, just make a right click, click on update driver, and then you will see this. How do you want to search for drivers? All you need to do is just to select the first option, and when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, you can proceed with the updated drivers on Windows Update. And it may take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So just be patient when it comes to updating the drivers for your keyboard. So once you're done with the Windows update, just go back to this window and then click on this browse my computer for drivers if you're still facing some problems, and then click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers, and you will see here all the drivers that you have, all the drivers version that you have in your device for your keyboard, and just select any driver that you have there and then try if it helps fixing the problem. So after each trial, after each installing, just make a quick restart with the device, and then see if the problem is already fixed with the hardware that you have just installed. And once it's still not fixing, or it's still not helping the solving of the problem, then just close this window. We will go with the control panel. So please go with this Windows search tab here, type control. You will see under best match control panel option. Please click on that. Once you do that, you will see this kind of window. And if you don't see this kind of window, just go to the upper right section. You will see this view by options here. Just click this drop down arrow, and then you can click on this large icons option. You will see this kind of window. So here we will be looking for keyboard. This one, if you see keyboard, just click on that, and all you need to do in this window is just to adjust the settings accordingly, or adjust the settings based on your preference or convenience. So you can have this repeat delay if you want to set it to long, then you can drag this button here towards long, and if you want to make it short, then you can also drag it to short. Okay, so again, adjust the settings here according to your convenience and preference. Once you're done adjusting or making some changes, just click on apply and then click on OK. Close this window as well as this one. Make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so once you're done with the process, then see if your keyboard is now working very well. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye!